I gave myself one coffee time to build an entire landing page for a coaching business without templates, without designing, without coding, and without really prompting. Just me, GHL's new AI studio, and this cup. So let's take a sip and see what's actually possible. And I'm taking this challenge one notch further because by the end of this coffee, I won't just build one landing page. I'll build an entire design system so every page I'll be building from this point on will be consistent and on brand as previous. And I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. So let's jump into it. The problem is not that we don't know how to prompt or how to write. Probably anyone can do that. The problem is we don't really know how to structure it good, how to make sure the positioning is well, and how to make sure the branding is on point, and how to make sure we actually replicate every page and make it look similar. Because if I prompt one page and then the other, they'll look slightly different. But we want to keep everything consistent. So what we need is to go to this website. Flow Page Architect. So on it, what it basically does, it helps us create a design system, right? So we'll have one design system. So when we prompt, we'll already have everything that we need and we won't have to recreate it. And actually, I'll show you how to make sure you know exactly how the page looks like before you prompt. And you get to be in control and actually pick the page type. Anyway, so let's start writing down. As you can see, when I write, it shows on the right here. So let's call it Prism. I'm just inventing a brand, right? Let's say I am, I don't know, Mindset. Now, target audience, scope of it, the promise from days. Now, what type of page I want to build? Let's build an opt-in page. And right now, as you can see, we got a new window. So we're gonna add the freebie name, master class. Perfect. So what type of freebie? Let's say it's a video training. And what does it help them do? Let's say flat. Cool. So now what we gotta do is to pick the design, right? So let's make the main color black. As we can see, we can see everything on the right here. Let's say the main color, let's make it blue. Where's my blue? Blue. Let's say like this. Let's make the secondary color pinkish. Why not? And let's make the background a bit darker. Perfect. Now, personality, let's keep it dark and premium. What I want, let's say agents high bold energy. The font that I like, let me show you the font. Let's say this one looks pretty cool. And the second one, I like Inter. Nice. So now what we gotta do is select the page type, right? We see now the page, how it will look like and what will generate. So we have this one, cool. Okay, I think I like the first one best. No, let's actually select this one. Nope. Yeah, let's select this one. Cool. I click on select the layout, and now I see this new button. And right here, if you want to, I also give the backend. So if you're into like the emails for the page, that's where you get it. But right now I don't really care about it, so I'll just copy the prompt that it gave me. Let's go back to GHL's AI, paste it in, and now we just wait. So it'll take a few minutes. Probably I'll just make a time lapse. First, we'll just take a sip. And what I wanted to say here before we just jump into the page creation is that usually it either costs lots of money to replicate it, right? You either go to an agency, pay them lots of money and do that just pay a lot of money. Or alternatively, you just sit down by yourself, you think you can write great prompts, but then you end up in like researching how to do this, how to better do that, because when options are limited and you can do anything, you start to consume and just don't stop. So what it helps to do, it's just doing it for you. You sit down, you select what you want, you actually see how it looks like, and you get to redo it a million times. And while I say that, while it just creates the first page, let's go back to it. And let's say I want a sales page for this, right? Let's say I have the lead magnet, and after I collect people,
right? I want to sell them. So let's add a long sales page. Let's see what kind of options we do, right? We're not changing anything because we want our websites consistent. Let's see what are the options here. Okay, I have a week video option, this, okay, I like the first one, this one. Let's select generate the prompt. Let's copy it. Let's go back and let's paste it in and just wait. So I'm a bit halfway through and we're already creating our second page. So let's check what's up with this one. Okay, so there we go. Now, if we click on this on the preview, let's see the page for the first time, and it looks pretty damn good, right? Super awesome. All of those reactive, right? Super clean, short, clean, exactly as we need it, right? Now, let's go back and see the sales page. Maybe it's already generated. Looks like it is. Let's open it up. Awesome. Let's check it out on a real page. I mean, just make it bigger. Okay, so we have this. All of those also reactive. Looks pretty cool. Again. Right? Super clean buttons, everything. Value, testimonials, guarantee, questions, everything exactly as the doctor ordered, right? Looks pretty damn good. And like it's super easy to edit that, right? So if I'm going back here, I want to add visuals, I click just right here and I change the text. If you want to change the picture, you just ask it, send it the picture, and that's it. So there you go. Super easy website creators, premium pages. And yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If it helps you, if it allows you to create better pages, then I would be just happy. It's free to use. Just check it out, try it, and yeah, enjoy the tool. See you in the next video and have a great day. Bye.
One coffee time. Fuck, I spilled it on myself. Dang. Fuck. It's pretty hot.